Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can build a blog and monetize it in one day. So we are going to be doing this in 4 steps. I will show you how to secure a domain name. I will show you how to build this blog with WordPress, and then I'll show you how to write SEO friendly blog posts using AI, and then I will now show you how to monetize this blog using ad network. Okay, so we are going to be doing this right away now. So I'm going to use a free domain name. If you already have a domain name and hosting, or you don't know how to do that, you can watch this video in the description. Know how to buy a domain name and a hosting plan. Okay, so I'm going to use a free domain name, but then if you want to design your own blog, serious business, buy a domain name. Okay, buy a domain name properly and use it for your blog. So without waste of time, let's dive into this video. Okay, the first thing we are going to do is to create an account on Infinity Free. Infinity Free is going to give us a free domain name. So click on Infinity Free here, register, insert your email, password. Okay, choose a stronger password. So an email has been sent to me. Come back here and confirm your email. Verify email. And then you are inside your Infinity Free here. So we are going to get a domain name here and hosting. Okay. So create your account. We are going to choose this account. This is what you're going to give us. This is the hosting account. Hosting account. This is what you're going to give us. Create now. So if you already have a domain name, you can just keep all of this, and you can use the timestamp in the description of this video and then move to where we have installed a WordPress and then continue watching from there. Okay. So this is what we're going to use. My blog dot, let me choose my blog.42web. So this is the domain name I want to use. Check availability. Is already in use. Okay, let me change this. Niger News. Niger News dot. So Niger News is available. So website label. This label is my blog. It's just for you to differentiate your domain names. Yeah. So Infinity Free gives you an opportunity to create 3 domain names in one account. Okay, so this label is just for you to be able to identify the different domain names that you have there. Okay, so password has been generated there. Email consent, let me just put on approve. So create account, save the password. No thanks. We are setting up your hosting account. So our account has been created. It's showing here that it can take up to 72 hours for new domains to be accessible everywhere. Okay. So here you are going to now click on control panel. So we are on the step of installing WordPress now. Okay, so approve. We have already registered domain name and hosting. So we are going into WordPress installation now. So scroll down, look at Softaculous app installer here. So click on it. So look at WordPress here, install. Your domain name is here, Niger News is here, .42 web. So everything is okay. This is the latest WordPress version. Okay, so leave it that way. Then the site name, I'm changing this to Niger News Today because my blog is an entertainment website and it's an entertainment blog. It can be anything. Okay, you can choose a niche, any niche. Okay, you can choose any niche, but it should be a niche that you can easily create content on. A niche that sometimes it even benefits you more when you choose a niche that you are also an expert in. In that way, you don't monetize in just one way, in just one method using ad network. You can monetize by other means, selling your knowledge as well, and then affiliate products that are related to what you are doing. And so when you are so you choose a niche that is profitable. So blog description, then password. Let's change this password. And this is the password you are going to be using to log into your WordPress anytime you want to log in. So admin is not good to use admin here because someone can easily guess the username. Okay, so ensure you use a different username. Okay, so put in the username here. This is what you are going to be using to log into your WordPress. Okay, so our email is there. So leave every other thing and then click on install. Save your password. The connection was lost. Why? So our WordPress is installing. So congratulations, the software was installed successfully. All right, so this is your URL here. This is your domain name. This is the link you use to log in into your WordPress. So you just need to add wp/admin at the end of the domain name, and then you'll be able to log into the back end of your website. Okay, so let's log in. So this is the back end of our WordPress website here. So let's view this site. Let's view it. Let's view the front end of this site. Okay. So this is our brand new website here. Okay. So now we are going to, this is a default template that came with the WordPress, but we are going to quickly change it now to our blog. Okay. So let's go back to our dashboard. Let's come to appearance and install a theme. Okay, the theme is the theme that shows the appearance of the general structure of the website, okay, of our blog in this case. So come to themes here. These are the themes that came with the default WordPress, okay. So come to add theme, add new theme. So there are many themes here. You can see Astra. I use Astra so much. And then you have several other themes. Look at this theme is good. Central News, News Esco. Look at Newsmatic, News Exo here. Let's choose this. Let's view it. So let's install this. So activate this theme. So once you activate the theme, Let's come and view our website again and see. So this is the website. You see that a lot of things have changed. So let's come back to WordPress dashboard. Thank you for choosing News Exo theme. So you're now going to click on starter site to import a demo, okay, of content. So click on starter site here. Processing. So you're going to choose any of these. This one is pro, this one is pro, but this is free. So if you want to choose any of these pro versions, you can choose them, make the payment and use it, okay? So, but for this video, the sake of this video, I'm going to click on this free one and look at import demo here. So before we import your demo, to ensure, scroll down. These are plugins, okay? So if you want to install them now. You can always install them later, okay? So click on continue and import. Importing content. So import has been completed, okay? So quickly, let's visit this website and see how it looks like. So look at our blog here, looking so awesome. So this is the content that has been imported, okay? So you can always edit this content, go to the blog section and edit all of these categories. Look at these categories, you can edit them if you want to edit. You can edit these posts and all of this, okay? You can click on edit page and edit some things around. You can click on customize, go to the theme editor and edit the menu and all of those things that you want to change, okay? So right now I'm going back into the dashboard to show you how you can monetize your blog, okay? So you are going to be creating content, you are going to be posting content on this blog to be able to monetize it, because it's when people are coming on your blog to read the post, when you are having traffic on your website, that it can now be monetized, okay? So the method I'm going to show you in this video is through monetization through ads network. Okay, so there are many ads network out there. The most prominent is Google AdSense, where Google displays their ads on your blog, and when people click on your ad, you get money paid into your AdSense account, okay? And then there are so many other ones, but the one I'm going to use in this video is Astra, okay? Because Astra is very easy and they don't have a lot of requirements. They can accept you that very day and then start displaying ads on your blog immediately, okay? So that's what we are going to do next. So, but this content is not yours. So I'm going to show you how you can publish your own blog post on your blog, okay, and get traffic. As I told you earlier, I'm going to use AI to help create this, okay, so that it will be faster for you and it will give you traffic. So let's go back to our dashboard. And so we are going to install a plugin called Yoast SEO. On to plugins. So come to add new here. Come to add new. We're going to add Yoast SEO. Install. activate. So it's this Yoast SEO that will help you optimize your posts, optimize your articles, your blog posts in a way that it will give you more traffic. When people search for related keywords on Google, it will now show your website and they can click and come to your blog. So it's a way of driving traffic through, that's the organic way of driving traffic. Okay, there are so many other ways that you can drive traffic through social media and even paid advertisement. Okay, but we're not going into that in this video. So start first time configuration. So start SEO data optimization. You can actually continue while this is going on in the background. You continue. So you can put in your choose whether organization or personal. Just leave the site name, the site organization name. You can put your logo here. We are not. You can just edit this. Select image. Put in your logo. Okay. Save and continue. Social profile. So here you add your Facebook account, add your X account, and any other social media platform. Save and continue. And then personal reference, email. They'll just be sending email, promotional emails to your email. So if you want to receive that, fine. If you don't want, you just continue. And then finish. Learn more. Just go back to the dashboard. So your Yoast has been activated. So now we are going to write, I'm going to show you how to write a post, a well-optimized post using AI now. So we are going to use ChatGPT. If you don't have ChatGPT, just come to ChatGPT, open AI, click on it, write ChatGPT. So if you want, you can create an account, sign up, and log in. So what I want to do is, of course, you can search for topics, search for keywords, know about the news that is trending in the country at the moment, and you write something about it. And then you can use tools like Google Trends. You can use tools like Answer the Public. You can use just Google. You can use Google and just Google search bar. You can know about keywords that things that are trending that you can write about. Okay, so but let me just write on anything. I'll write about maybe the 10 richest people in Nigeria. Okay, so let me say write. Okay, let's say something that I run a news blog and I want you 10 richest people in Nigeria. So enter. So see the blog that ChatGPT has given us. 10 richest people in Nigeria 2024, the titans of wealth. So you see introduction, you have see number one, Aliko Dangote, Mike Adenuga, Lakija, Sharif, Otedola, Tony Elumelu, Jim Ovia, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Ojora, and you see. So you just copy this. You can simply click here and copy, but when you copy that, it comes with a lot of icons. So just click here, copy from here, down to this place. So don't just copy and paste. It's very good for you to edit, add some other things in it before publishing. Okay. So once you copy that, come back to your dashboard, come to posts, can add new post here. So see, these are the posts that came with the content we imported. Okay. So just come to add new post. So this is the block editor here. If you want to go through the tour, you just click on next and review it, but you need. So this is the title of the blog, but I've copied everything. So let me just post it here, paste it here first, paste everything here. You see our blog post is here. So copy the title and put it inside the title section. I just cut that and put it inside. This is our title. So once you do this, okay, let me remove this heading away from here. Delete the heading. So you have your post here. You can add other things that you want to add. Like I said earlier, this is just AI, so you need to add some things to it to make it original. And so when you scroll down to this place, you now see Yoast SEO. So Yoast is going to analyze your posts, everything, and then advise you on what to add to it to make it search engine optimized. Okay, so put a key phrase here. Key phrase 10 richest people in Nigeria. So let's just remove the wealth away. 2024. Or let's remove the 2024 to just 10 richest people in Nigeria so that it will be evergreen. So this is how this blog will appear on Google. This is on a mobile device. So if you want to view on desktop, this is how it will appear on desktop. When you search for related topics and it comes on Google, this is how it will display. Okay. So you can see readability is okay, but SEO is not good. This is why you are seeing the red emoji there. When you come down here, you see that Yoast is showing 7 problems. So it will also show you the good things you have done. So good results, 8. You have a key phrase in the introduction. That is the key phrase you installed. You just put in there. It's also in the introduction. Key phrase in SEO title. That's a good thing. Key phrase length is good. It's not longer. It's not too long. It's not short. Previously used key phrase. You've not used key phrase that have been used before. Text length. All these things are good. Okay. So look at the things that are not good here that I need to fix. Okay. Outbound links. No outbound links appear in your page. This is the you need to add the links. Images, you need to add images. Of course, the images of those people, we are going to add them. Those 10 richest people, we are going to add those images. And once you add the images, this will disappear. Internal links, links that are linking from one blog to another, or one page to one blog post to another, or one page to another within your blog. Very important. Key phrase density, you need to add it at least 3 places in your blog post. Okay, the key phrase. Then meta description, you need to put meta description, that thing that will appear just below the title of your post on Google. And then all of this. So we are going to go ahead and effect all of this so that our post will be well optimized. So number 1 here is outbound links. So let's come back to the post and find something that will link to another website. Okay, so let's link this. Maybe you can link this to Forbes where they talk about Dangote's net worth, or you can just link Dangote to his own personal website. So I'm just putting anything here, www.dangote.com, but in your case it should be a real website. So that's the first link we have there. You can also link Mike Adenuga to a website. So all these are outbound links. Adenuga.com. You link that. So it's not just the names, can be anything. Okay, look at global.com here. You're mentioning global.com. You can link this to Glow website, www.glowng.com. You check the correct website and put it there. And then another way you can earn from this is linking to affiliate products. Okay, so while you are talking about something, you can link it to your product where people can click and buy the product and you get a commission paid into your account. Okay, so linking outside is very important. So let's link this one too. So you can have as many links as possible. You can have many links. So you have this. So let's go back and check that error now. So you see that it has gone. Outbound links, good job. So now you have your images. We are going to add some images here. Of course, you can download their real images and add. But in this case, I'm not going to get the real images because it will just waste our time. So just click on add here, or you can click on add block here, any of them. So add, we are adding an image, so click on image. You can upload it or go to media library and choose any image. So you have images of Dangote here, you just upload them. You change the meta AI alt text, change it to your key phrase. Okay, but let me just install it. Let me just add it this way. I'll show you later. So you select this. You can make it smaller actually. Make it smaller. And then you put in your caption here and you put it there. So we are going to duplicate this and just use it for the other people as well in order to save time. Okay. So we have this. You just click here to take it down. So this becomes the picture for Mike Adenuga. So we're going to duplicate it again. Duplicate and then take it down again. And this becomes a picture for Alakija, and then we can duplicate and put it down again. Okay, so let's go back and check our SEO. You see the images have disappeared. Good job. So now we have internal links. So you can actually click here and check this as well. You must not go down there. So look at SEO here. this guy has begun smiling a little now. Okay, so click here, you can see everything here. So 5 problems remaining, and then 8, good job. Of course, image key phrase needs improvement. We're going to do that. So internal links, let's go back. You say no internal link appear in your page, so come back and link something. Maybe you wrote a post about Zenith Bank somewhere, so just link it to that post. Okay, this is within your your blog. It's not outside now. Okay, so link it, but remember it's something that is related, such that when people are reading, they can click and move on. They are still within your blog. Okay, so let's choose this blog here. So let's link another one. Maybe we're talking about Lagos State, and we have already written a blog on that, a post on that. So you can link to a page too, not just posts. So this is a page, select it, and then you can still link as many as it's related. Okay, so link. So you see the link has gone. Then our key phrase density, the key phrase was found only once, one time. That's less than the recommended minimum of 3 times. So come to your key phrase here. This key phrase has to appear in your blog post for at least 3 times. So you can just come and just create something somewhere that will rhyme it. Okay, so you can just, so our key phrase is this: 10 richest people in Nigeria. Okay, so you can just say something like Rabiu is also on the list of the 10 richest people in Nigeria. He is the founder. So you have succeeded in putting that key phrase there. So as you can see, they say found 2 times now. So just go to another one and just find a way of putting it there. You can just say he has also made it to the list of, then you paste your key phrase there, 10 richest people in Nigeria. So we have three key, we have our key phrase appearing 3 times in this blog post. So of course we can still add it somewhere else if we want to. You can say Tony has been on the list of, then put in your keyword, key phrase there, 10 richest people in Nigeria since 2011. Okay? So you have succeeded in putting it in so many places now, such that when people search for it online, your blog post will display. Okay, and then now we have 3 problems left. Meta description length, no meta description at all. So we are going to have a meta description there. So you can say something like, you say you cannot believe who has just joined the top 10 richest people in Nigeria in 2024. So you can say new list. So that is your description. So this is what we show. Okay, this is what we show on Google. can see the title of the post and then new list. You cannot believe so that is it. So as you can see now, we have just two problems now. So key phrase in subheading, use more key phrase in subheading. So you can add some heading and add your key phrase to it, and then these images on this do not have auth attribute. So you just click on auth, click on the images and add auth. Okay, click on images and add auth text. That will be your key phrase. Click here, add auth text, click add. You can make something longer than that. Okay, so let's come back to our SEO. See that the SEO, the thing has turned green now. Okay, so you see that we have 13 good links now. The images have gone. So when you have some subheadings that have your key phrase to, this will also disappear. So one last thing now is to add your come to post page, add your featured image. This is what displays on your website, that cover image that displays on your post. So click on set feature. Let me choose this, and I want to put the key phrase here again, set featured image. So once I'm done, I'm going to publish my post. Publish. You can be this is how you are going to be publishing post news on your blog. Okay, can be doing this every day. You can even do more than one post in a day, and that will be fine. So view this post. Let's view this post. Yeah, so you see, this is our post here. You can see this. This is the featured image, and then you have the details here. You have the image of Aliko Dangote, you have the image of Magadenuga, you have the image of Alikaja Lakija, you have the all of this here. So people will come here and watch and read your post. Okay, so let's go back to dashboard, because the next thing we are going to do now is I'll be showing you how to monetize this blog using Art Network, using Adsterra. Adsterra is a company that specializes in advertising for companies. So once you sign up with them, they will start displaying ads on your blog, ads that are sponsored by other companies. Okay, so those companies pay Adsterra to advertise their business, and then Adsterra will now display those ads on your blog. So when anyone clicks on that ad on your blog, Adsterra will remove a part of that money and pay to you. Okay, so the first thing you are going to do now is to move on to Adsterra and create an account on Adsterra. So there is a link in the description of this video. Click on that link and create your Adsterra account. I'll be paid a commission, a little commission. That is the way of saying thank you to me for sharing this information with you. So use my link in the description and sign up on Adsterra. So once you click on that link, it takes you to Adsterra. So sign up. So Adsterra is asking you, are you signing up as an advertiser or a publisher? You are a publisher. So start earning. So you put in your email address. Do you choose the payment method, how you want to receive your money? want Bitcoin, PayPal, bank transfer, and so you agree on these terms. Okay, so click on sign up. But this account, I'm not going to use it. I already have my Astra account. So click on your email, verify your email, Astra team, scroll up, confirm your email. You are not going to log into your account now. Log in. So once you log into your Astra, you will see this is where your money will reflect. This is your account. So the first thing you are going to do here is to add your website. This is the process you will take to add your website. 3 steps to monetizing your website. You add your website, click here, add your website, create a unit for ad, copy the code and embed. Okay, so click on add website. So your website, you're going to put your website link here. So let's come to our website. Our website is Niger. Copy my website. I'll input my website here. Website category, please select. Social converter. Oops. Order. So I'm going to choose order. And then some ads that I don't want to display, you can just remove them. Erotic ads, you can just uncheck here. Anyone that you don't want to be displayed. Gambling ads, if you don't want it, you untick there. So here is just for you to select the kind of ads that you don't want to display on your website. Okay. Then you can have a direct link. This one, direct link that you can install, can add anywhere you want to add on your blog. And then these are the other ones. These are pop under. Pop under displays on your blog everywhere. You just tap on it and you click and it moves to another page. So you can select the kind of ads that you want to, the kind of ad you want to display on your website. Okay, of course you have an option to add several other ones later on. So let me leave it on pop under now. So click on add. So we are reviewing your website. This process may take 1 to 2 minutes. We'll notify you by email when the review is complete. You can also refresh this page to check if your website status is active. Got it. So as you can see here, this is a website is showing pending. So as you can see, it's been approved. So you can see one ad unit here. So let me check my email. So look at my email here. Your domain, the domains were approved. So you can click on view codes, or you can simply just go back to your Astra. So this is the code here. You can simply copy this code. But let's go back to the, let's come back to Astra here. So click on this and then you see the ad. This is the one we just created, the pop under we just created now. So click on get code. This is your code. Okay. So look at this. Paste the code snippet right before the closing head tag. You can find more information here. So just copy this code. Come back to your website. Come to appearance. So click on theme file editor. So, but there is an easier way to do this. Okay, I'm going to show you another way that you can do this. So this is just the first way. In the next couple of minutes, I will show you how you can do it with a plugin. Okay, and it's very easy. So header. So just after your head tag, look at your head tag here, enter, and then paste this code. Okay. So once you paste this code, you are going to save this. Once you update it, the ads will start displaying on your site. But I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. And I recommend this one using a plugin called Ads Inserter. So come to plugins. So we'll not save this. Come to plugins, add new, insert. So look at this ad inserter, ad manager, and Adsense ad. Click on install. Once you activate, click on settings. So this is our ad inserter here. So the code that we just generated is to be inserted in the header. So come to settings here and then click on header. So this is where you are going to paste the code. So once you paste it here, click on this button to enable the code. Click on this button. It has to turn green. It's very important. Then you save this. So settings saved. So right now, let's go and view this website and see if the ads will display, the ads will function. Okay. So pop under ads, what they do is they will not display on the screen, but when you click on anything on the screen, you are actually clicking on the ad. So it will take you to another page automatically. It will take you to the company's page where the advert is sponsored. Okay, so it is quite deceptive because you visit a website and you are trying to click on something and browse, and then it's taking you to another page that it did not even display at first. So some people don't like to use it. I don't use it as well because it makes people leave your stop. It reduces your traffic in a way. So as you can see here, you cannot see anything, but when you click here, you see that it will open on another page. So it shows that our ad is functional. Okay. So we are going to we are going to create another ad unit. As you can see, this is the ad. It's 1xbet ad. Okay, that displayed as our pop under ad there. So just close this. So let's go back to Astra again, but it shows that our code is working, and right now we have monetized this website. Okay, so now let's go back to Astra and add another ad unit. Okay, that will display. You will see it on the screen. So come back to Astra here. So we are going to add another add unit. So click on add unit. So now we are going to add maybe banner. Can add this. Maybe you don't want this ad display. Yeah, add. Don't want erotic ads. So got it. So we have two ad units here now. So click on it, and then this one is pending. So let's refresh this page. So this one is active now. This is banner. So you can click on get code. So copy this code, come to your website, paste the code, and then do you want it to display on post, or is it on the home page? Is it on the search pages? So on category pages, you select it. So, but I want it to display on post, and then where on the post. So I can say before the post starts, before the content, but I will say after paragraph. So maybe after the second paragraph, or maybe after the third paragraph, then the ad should display. It depends on what you want actually. You can select all of this, make all of these edits the way you want. Okay. So when you are done, you click on Save Settings. So you can click on any post. So let's use this post that we just written. Click on this post. So I will show you that. So it has taken us off the page because of the pop under ads that we already have there. You see that it's taking us to 1xbet. So let me go back and click on it again. So this is our post here, the 10 richest people in Nigeria 2024. So scroll down, you see number one, this is our first paragraph, number one, Aliko Dangote. So look at the ads here. Look at the ads displaying here. So this is the ad that we installed. So we said after the third paragraph. So this is the one, this is two, this is three. Okay, so you can see. So after that, you now see the ad display here. So if you want, you can put it in so many places. So I'll come back here and create social ad. You can add many units as you want. So just test things around. You can create the direct link, create banner ad, create this banner, native banner, test them. There are many of them. Some of them will pop some ads on your screen, and so people will click on them and you earn money in the back end. So social ad. So I've created more ad units here. And when you come to our website and refresh, so as you can see now, our blog is displaying ads. This is an ad. All this is an ad. This is an ad. As you can see, all these ones are ad. Then when you come down here, you will see all these things are ads. Okay. So when people click on them, will get paid in the background. Adsterra is going to pay money to your account. Okay, so you can go ahead and edit your website and structure the codes to get more ads display on your website. You can add more ad units in Adsterra. You can add more blocks, more places where you can display ads on your blog, and then you go ahead and drive traffic. You can drive traffic through social media, you publish more content, you share your links, and you do backlinks, promote through some other blogs like Nairaland and several other ones. Okay, so drive massive traffic to your blog and let people click on your ads so that you will make money in the back end. That is it, guys. If you like this content and you want more of this, please click on the like button, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video.